In this video, you're going to learn how to easily prepare meals like this for work or on the go. Plus, I'll show you how to quickly count calories as you prepare your meal. And I'll share with you my personal secret for making your meals insanely Instagenic. But warning, people can be checking out your lunch. I'm Rich Golden with GX2 and let's get cooking. You will need a cutting board and knife to cut your ingredients, an extra large salad bowl to put the cut ingredients in, a Ziploc bag to pack your meal, and an optional food scale if you want to count calories. Today, we're going to prepare a classic chicken salad, and first things first, veggies. Start off by cutting your leafy greens. I'm using komatsuna, Japanese mustard spinach. Once cut, put the komatsuna in the salad bowl and note how much it weighs. 86 grams of komatsuna nets us about 19 calories. If you're counting calories, be sure to reset the food scale in between ingredients. Up next is the broccoli, prepared using the same steps as the komatsuna. Just cut it and put it in the bowl. 146 grams of broccoli nets us about 50 calories. Up next, it's carrot time. Cut the carrot and place it in the bowl. 150 grams of carrots nets us about 62 calories. Now it's time to put the chicken in chicken salad. 271 grams of cooked chicken breast nets us about 360 calories. Next is fruit, and up to date is honeydew melon. 187 grams of honeydew nets us about 73 calories. My personal favorite starchy carb is kabocha. 222 grams of cooked kabocha nets us about 132 calories. And finally, some mixed nuts, unsalted and oil-free. 15 grams of mixed nuts nets us about 97 calories. And the hardest part of meal prep, putting your delicious meal away and saving it for later. I recommend packing the chicken, carrots, and other ingredients before the komatsuna. That way, when you unpack your lunch into the same type of bowl you used to prepare it, the other ingredients fall onto a bed of leafy greens, which is my personal secret for making meals on the go extra photogenic. And that's how meal prep is done. So did you learn some tips to improve your meal prep skills? If so, subscribe to my channel. And who are you going to show off to first? Friends on Facebook, followers on Instagram, maybe even coworkers in real life? Let me know by leaving a comment below this video right now. And until next time, keep on cooking.